guys, Dan and Steph back in the SunPork kitchen. So no doubt you've seen these and you wondered, I wonder if they really work. Well, I'm here today to show you that they do. 100%. This will make the best toasted sandwich you've ever seen in your life. So what we're going to do a toastie with the mostie. It's going to be beautiful SunPork bacon jam and cheese, and we're going to try and put a bit of sizzling bread style to it as well. So we're going to crack on here, we're going to make our bacon jam. So we've got some beautiful SunPork diced bacon, straight in, we'll get that frying down. So basically this is a pork throw in, get it reducing, get it nice and sticky, and basically we'll jam. Bacon in, onion in. So onion and garlic. Get that working, so we've got plenty of bacon. You can smell it, there's no better smell than bacon, onion, garlic. Everyone reckons onion and garlic is good. Wait till you throw some bacon into that. So while we do this, we're going to start to get our toastie ready. So Steph's got our 2 bits of bread. So what I've done is, I've bought a loaf that's uncut so you can cut it to the thickness that you want it. So you can have a super-sized toastie with the mostie, we like to call it.
So you've got to butter both
sides. 100% when you make a toasted sandwich, there has to be butter on the inside as well as the outside, because what that's going to do is going to give you that nice, crispy, edgy, beautiful, crunchy toast, basically. So this is where the sizzler bread comes into it. And we're just going to put a beautiful shaving of Parmesan over the outside of this bread. Wow. So this is not the inside, this is the outside. So, palmy down.
Press it down?
Press it down. What we're going to do now is we're going to put this face down, and we're going to flip it. So we're good to go now.
Whoa, okay.
And then flip it. And then we're going to butter the other side.
Okay. This is extra indulgent, right?
It's out of control. This is like once a month toasted sandwich.
Once a month toasted sandwich.
Absolutely. And then you know what?
You're going in for more. Okay, so we'll start finishing off our bacon jam.
Right, so it's about where we want it. So we're going to go brown sugar straight in. So that's going to give us our sweetness, make it all nice and sticky. We've got some
dry thyme.
Yeah. All in. So what we've got now is we've got vinegar, maple and coffee to go in. So coffee is going to just bring that nice, rich coffee flavour. But it's not going to be too powerful, but it just adds a bit more to the bacon jam.
It all works in harmony together.
Let's go to maple, more sugar. Maple in.
Maple and bacon.
Get that caramelising. Vinegar in.
That will just kind of cut through the sweetness, a little bit of sharpness, and a little bit of coffee.
And we've got a little bit of coffee in, so just that's about right. And then we'll just let that reduce and get nice and sticky. Okay, so as we can see, we've got the consistency that we're after. So we've literally reduced it and softened everything up in that nice, jammy, marmalade consistency. So we're going to go bacon jam, a good layer. Alright.
Sticky, isn't it?
Sticky. And then we're going to go cheese. Good to go. And we've got more jam. And you know what, Pirate, let's go more cheese.
Is it going to fit?
I think it will fit. Everything gone in. Alright, and then we've got this one here. Just going to flip him on, push it down, and we just lock these in like this. And this is going to spend 5 minutes in the microwave. Alrighty, so we've had 5 minutes in the microwave. I can tell you one thing, it smells absolutely sensational.
It smells so bad.
So be careful because it can be hot.
Is it toasted?
Is it toasted? Clean. So here we go. Woo. Gonna go. We're gonna cut into it, but I just want to show you what's on the inside here. And have a look at that. Absolutely glorious bacon, onion jam, with cheese for days. We've got Parmesan everywhere, Parmesan on the inside, on the outside. Just, it's super crunchy because we've got the butter on the inside, we've got the butter and the Parmesan on the outside. But listen to that. So, bacon jam and cheese toastie, cheese for days. Oh.
Yeah.
You can do bulk bacon jam, have it in the fridge. There we have it, the toastie with the mostie, Dan and Steph's bacon jam toaster sandwich.